And welcome back to another video. It's me, Lee. We're doing something different today. I've got to do some book arts. If you don't know what book arts are, it is basically you have a pattern like this and you get a book and you fold or cut the pages and create this kind of design or whatever designs on the front here. So in this particular video I'm going to show you how I back my books, and then I'm going to do most of the pattern, and then near the end I will do a video on of this one and how I finished the last page, the last couple of numbers off for you, so you can actually see me doing it. So yeah, so for this video, because it's like Mickey Mouse and a Minnie Mouse, I wanted like a sparkly background because I couldn't find some pretty Mickey Mouse paper. Some scissors, that's just to cut the paper, so I've already done that. Some sellotape, and the book you're going to use, I'm using this one. I've never read this book. You can get books, I would recommend hardbacks. You can get them in charity shops and stuff. In England, in Blackpool, there's a Bernardo's near the Big Asda, and they sell 5 books for £2. So if you're looking for somewhere to get books from, there you go. So yeah, so this is the paper I'm using. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. It's got some sort of shimmery, glittery thing into it. So I quite like this design, and mainly this bit here I liked. So basically you flip it over, if you're wondering where I get my paper from, I'm kind of cheeky. In Home Bargains, is it? No, BM Bargains. BM Bargains, they have like all the wallpaper, and you can take samples off, and that's where you get all these from. Sometimes in the wallpaper shops they charge you, other times they don't. It just depends which shop you're going to. So basically I'm going to do this, so I'll just show you whilst I'll try and explain as I'm doing it, but I get a bit sidetracked when I'm doing this sort of thing. So I'm just going to line up my sides here so they're even and it's flat against the spine. And then I'm just going to open my book slightly and fold it in, and then close and fold, and then run my finger along the edge, and then get the same, flip it, and then do the same on this side, and flip it, and there you go. And then I'm going to get my sellotape ready, because there's nothing worse trying to get sellotape out and you can't do it. So I'll tape it to my machine, my drill machine thingy. So I've got a piece off, so you're just going to open your book slightly, so across here, and you're just going to tape your page down. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I've got sellotape running along here, and the same on the other side. So basically that's your book now so far. So I try and open it in the middle, yeah, and so you can see. So it's still a bit loose. So now you get your scissors. So I'm going to get a smaller pair, and if you pinch this page here at the edge, you know, to try and make it so it's more squared off. Does that make sense? Then all you do is you cut along the line. So I'm going to sit down a sec. And right down to the book, and then the same on the other side, so it can go down like that, and then you do the same on this side. I'm hoping you can see what I'm doing. them away. So you open your book. Okay, so I start from the bottom, so I fold the edges here like this, do like a triangle shape basically, so that when I can, so let's do this. So it's a triangle here, but if you look, there's a hole. There's a hole in your book there that's just come apart. In the book there, when you open it, you poke it in there. So let me just put this book back together because it's just come off. Sometimes these glittery papers are harder to stick down, short of using duct tape. Right, okay, so back to normal. Right, press that down. So I'm just gonna poke it in. Okay, and you just put it in a little bit for us to start with, and then when you flip it round, up and down, trying to make sure I'm still in frame. Do the same on this side. Poke it in, and there you go. Okay, so just make sure they're both in, and make sure they're in a bit snug. Okay, so now the next step is to, I always do it this way, so I'm literally holding it in and then folding it. I keep it on a straight angle, that way it keeps it tight. And then on the corner here, I fold it in. You can use glue if you have glue. I don't have any glue. I prefer to sellotape it as well. So I'm just going to get some tape just to hold it down a minute. Okay, just get a bit more. Okay, and then the same on the other side. So I'm just going to press it down a minute. Okay, so that's one side done. So basically your book looks like this on this side. Oh, there you go. So it looks like this, and then you close it, and then you've got a pretty rose on this side, and then basically you flip it over, do the same on this side. So we'll do that now. Okay, so just, I hope I'm helping here, probably not. Okay, and then you just press it down, and it's the same on the other side. I'm going to put a bit more tape on here because I think I've flicked it off a bit. Oops, let's just put that down a sec. There you go, and there you go, all done. Nice shiny look. So you got the design and it goes round, so it's got the flower and it goes round and onto this side, and then you open it up and Bob's your uncle, you can start. So and my next video will be this book, but this design inside. So basically I would just be folding the pages to make this design. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, this video, sorry, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe. And if you've got any other ideas for videos that you might want me to do or try, then just let me know and leave me a comment below, and I will do my best to let that happen. And I hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching guys, and bye.